Hello everyone. Today I will be using moving average indicator and parabolic SAR. We go to the settings to change the parabolic SAR to 3 pixel. We change the moving average settings to 200 and the EMA and go to style and choose 2 pixels. We choose the other moving average, change the settings to 7 and the EMA, and choose 2 pixel. We choose Hikanashi candles. Now it's time to find a good moment. Here, the trend is higher and gave 3 red candles, after which the market returned to higher, which is good. The market is going higher. I want you to notice that the moving average line is adjacent to the bottom of the candle, and this is a good indication that the market is in a higher direction, and I will also give you a good note about the parabolic SAR. If you used the parabolic SAR and the market was in the state of higher or lower in the bottom of the candles we had 2 to 4 points, the market will be in a good condition to get deals, but if the points are a lot and the market is random, it is not preferable to get your deals only if the trend is higher or lower.
Here we can notice the moving average line next to the candles and the trend is lower. The parabolic SAR is very close to the candles, so this is good for getting trades.
The trades has been closed successfully. On the same previous market in which I won our first trades, I will get another trades because all indicators are still towards lower, so it is still a good time to get trades here. The trades has been closed successfully. Here also you can see a moving average stuck below the candle and the market is in the direction of higher and the parabolic SAR indicator has 2 single points and this is an indication that the market is in its infancy towards going higher. The trades has been closed successfully. My balance is $8,360. Here, too, it is a good indication that the moving average lines meet each other, and the market is in a trend towards lower, but I do not know if the market will turn to higher. All trades closed successfully. That's good. Here on the same market as before, I will get my trades because the market is still in a lower state. It seems that I will lose these trades. The candle did not have the strength to fall to the bottom, making a rebound to higher. Unfortunately, these trades did not work out. But we will look for another market to make up for the loss. The market started higher and this is an opportunity to get 100% successful trades. Why do I say this? Because we have 2 doji candles and this is evidence that the market towards lower has stopped and now it starts to go towards higher. Doji candles are also a good indication that the market cannot complete the going towards lower. All trades closed successfully. That's good. The same market, I will also get trades, because the market is in its infancy towards higher, so this is a great opportunity if we see that there is higher strength in the candles. As I said earlier, I trust my work in trading. These opportunities do not always come, and as I said before, the market will go higher, and as you see the market go higher, but it is better to get 1 to 2 times in the same market. As you can see, the trades were closed successfully. Here, the market also trended towards lower, but the candles are almost regular, and the market is calm, but it will be my last trade for the day. The candle started bouncing to higher, but there is no problem. I will get some trades from higher, because the candle will close in lower, but perhaps the first trades will lose. A 1-2 trades and 2 trades were closed at the same bid price. These are the first 4 trades. All trades have been closed successfully. My balance is now $23,680.